Black Friday has just arrived, and Amazon is packed with amazing deals and incredible savings. We've rounded up the top 10 offers you can grab right now. These deals won't last, so don't wait. Let's get straight into it. First on the list is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It is now $949.99, 27% off. With 256 gigabytes of storage, a 200 MP camera, S Pen, and a long battery life, this highly rated phone is a must-have Black Friday deal. Next on the list is the Oura Ring Gen 3 Horizon, which is now $249, 17% off. This sleek smart ring tracks sleep, heart rate, and fitness with up to 7 days of battery life, making it a top choice for health enthusiasts this Black Friday. At number 8, we got the 8-pack Hexagon light panels, now just $29.58, 20% off. These music sync RGB lights are perfect for gaming setups, bedrooms, or as a unique gift for all ages. I currently use these in my room, and they're a game changer for creating a cool personalized vibe. At number 7, we got the Restor 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock, which is perfect for anyone looking to improve their sleep routine. Right now it's 15% off for $144.44. This smart light and sound machine combo helps you unwind with customizable sleep routines and gently wakes you up with a natural sunrise alarm. It's a great way to wake up feeling energized and refreshed. Number 6, we got the Cushion Air Luna Cork Footbed Sandal, which offers comfort and style, resembling the popular Birkenstock Arizona sandals. With 43% off, you can grab them for just $28.49, which is a crazy deal. These sandals feature a cushioned footbed for added comfort, making them perfect for everyday wear. At number 5, we got the Instant Pop Vortex Plus 4QT Air Fryer. It is a versatile kitchen appliance with 6-in-1 functions, including air frying, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and reheating, featuring over 100 in-app recipes and a sleek stainless steel design. It's perfect for quick and easy meals. It's available for just $59.99, offering 54% savings off the regular price of $129.99. At number 4, we got the Magic Bullet Blender, which is perfect for smoothies, omelets, sauces, and more. It includes a 250-watt motor base, various cups, and a recipe guide. Get it this Black Friday for $29.49, saving 41% off the regular price of $49.99. Third on the list, we got the Ace Magic Laptop, which features a 15.6-inch IPS 1080p display, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and a 512GB SSD powered by a quad-core processor. It offers long battery life, a 180-degree open angle, and a metal shell. On Black Friday, it's available for $359.99, saving 72% off the usual price of $1,300. In second place, we got the JBL Flip 6 portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers powerful sound, deep bass, and 12 hours of playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof and features JBL Party Boost for pairing multiple speakers. This Black Friday, grab it for $79.95, saving 38% off the original price. In first place, we got the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, which is a Bluetooth smartwatch with fitness tracking, advanced sleep coaching, heart monitor, and wellness insights. It features a large screen and personalized health zones. Get it today for $159.99, saving 52% off.